Every company is different, but all successful companies have one thing in common: they want to be a lot better every day. Every business process involves different tasks that need to be coordinated within a special time window. In order for such businesses to run without problems, the task has to be completed smoothly. Looking at NHS, for example, a huge volume of documents are produced and information they contain is the cornerstone for success. Documents are created, forwarded, checked, stored, and looked for time and time again. This takes a lot of time and resources, which is why it is worth taking much time to look at these processes in more detail and optimise them. And this is where the EWC comes into play. EWC is a main component of enterprise control management. With the EWC, the NHS would improve healthcare services provided to patients and save a lot of time and money. From the general observation, the nurses represent the patient's current location with some hospital codes, such as BSB, BNS, G, L, TO, WC, DA, etc. The nurses again take the records to the desktop and use for their notes, and the spreadsheet then is stored in the hospital files. All these papers are then kept in the hospital storeroom for the period of 10 years. Imagine if the hospital cannot provide the document, there's going to be a problem, and that undermines the trust between the patient and the hospital. Through EWC technology, now healthcare staff can insert the patient's location with an already installed code. The healthcare assistant logs in using their given PIN number. They record the patient's engagements, assign any concerns to an appropriate officials in charge immediately. EWC would save the staff from repeat recordings of observations. Another advantage is that all healthcare workers have access to the documents from their different workstations. The staff observation clicks on the patient's name, and details are displayed with different icons representing locations. The staff clicks on the icons for the accurate time instead of the old manual way of recording the time. The staff clicks on the Finish and Save button, and the information is stored in a database where all officials can access it immediately from anywhere, thanks to the web access. After the automated storage through the EWC, files can be retrieved quickly, and this boosts the efficiency with workflows that optimises processes and guarantees accuracy and transparency. You save space and protect documents from fire or water damage. EWC also helps you comply with legal retention periods. These are strong arguments for a EWC. I can honestly say this is something you really want.